Before you proceed to protecting the sheet, select all the cells you want to unlock. Then press Ctrl 1 to enter the Format Cells window. Navigate to the Protection tab and then uncheck the locked box and click OK. Now navigate to the Review tab and then select Protect Sheet. In the new window, enter a password and then click OK. In the next window, re-enter your password again for verification. Now you're just able to edit the selected cells. But the rest of the cells on this sheet are locked.